Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful boat to show you guys today. This is a 2018 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This boat is in absolutely spectacular condition. It's been garage kept since new, single owner, multiple whaler owners, very knowledgeable, take care of their crafts. This one's powered with, or equipped with the trolling motor, Minn Kota iPilot, GPS spot lock. It's got the fishing package with the live well in the back, GPS, fish finder, it's a gorgeous boat. This one's powered by a 60 4-stroke Mercury. Estimated about 50 hours, most likely less. Just a quick walkthrough of the boat. Give you guys an idea of the condition of it. You can see the mirror finish on it. Beautiful condition, beautiful boat. Went ahead and put 3 batteries in it with the triple bank battery charger. Leave it plugged in. Batteries are new as of last year. Battery switch there. Anchor lights. Stainless is in beautiful condition as well. Just all around great condition, very well kept boat. You can see inside the boat the shine as well. Comes with the trailer that you see here, which is also in beautiful condition. Trying my best to find a speck of rust. Proving to be difficult. White hull, the black whaler logo. Black bimini. Really good looking boat. Very well equipped. Like I said, garage kept. 2018 15 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Roughly 50 hours on the 4-stroke 60 horse. Comes with the trailer, trolling motor, everything you see here. I'd love to show you this boat. Feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. You can visit us at MarineMax.com. Love to answer any questions you have about this boat and get you out on the water. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. This 15 Montauk.